Hey, what's up, guys? I got my splitter today, which was when I was reviewing my car wrap. So go back and check that video. Just kidding. But I got the splitter, and I'm not sure when I'm gonna put it on. I think I'm gonna put it on tomorrow. So if you're watching this video, it's probably the next day. Who knows? But I'm gonna just check, open the box, and see what I got going underneath. Cause I don't know. Right here, it says it's 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. So I'm not sure. I ordered the front splitter and the side oh, obviously. So now this is just the front splitter. For some reason I thought the side skirts were gonna be in here too, but this is just the front splitter, as you can see. All right, well, I'm gonna just unbox it and see what we have. All right, so we cut the tape off the edges already, right there. Now let's see what we got going under. Oh yeah, we got the splitter. We got what is this? This is the winglets, I guess. This is to hook it up on from the splitter to the bumper. And here we have the rods, support rods, I think to call it. Yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it. No side skirts, huh? No, I guess no side skirts. That's pretty much all that comes with. Yeah, well, I got my splitter all out already. I'll lay it out on every part that I'm gonna install. I'm just gonna tell you guys, be careful when when removing this thing if you're using a razor blade, because I accidentally kind of scratched it a little around here. You can't really see it in video. You can't. Well, it's really small, but you know, it's still a small scratch. But either way, right now what I'm gonna try to do is install these winglets on here. With where are they at? Where's the bolts? Well, I'm gonna install it with the bolts. These bolts exactly right here. And then I'm gonna go to class because I have class in a bit. And then after that, well, then we'll remove my front bumper and put them on. So what I did was I already put these in. I put one of the nuts, the washers, and one of those whatever it is. And I put them on here, like, you know, test fitting them and stuff. And then I put it with the marker instead of the dot, just to see where it's gonna be at. And you'll be able to see the dots. There's one of them. But I'm gonna drill it in and then put it back inside there. So I actually wasn't able to see the holes. So what I did was I just put two paste on one of these cotton swabs, and then I lined it up, and well, you know how it's done, I'm guessing. So now I'm gonna drill it with the drill and see how good it comes out. Honestly, drilling is always the scary part for me. So I actually just ended up putting the winglets on already. They're both on there. They went in pretty simple. Let me show you this one since the light isn't showing off on that one. The only problem I see with them right now is that, like, they have a little bit of gaps. You could fix this, just push it on there. I guess I wasn't able to do it, but that's the way how I'm gonna leave it. I mean, I already messed up over here. I ended up breaking one of these somehow, I don't know how, so I just ended up putting a sub tapper in there, and since it was too long, I just cut it with my drill, or whatever you call that thing. I just ended up cutting it in. There you go. Doesn't look too bad. Now time to remove the bumper. And we could put that in there before we put on the support rods. Alright, so to remove the bumpers, removing the tabs from here, and here. These guys seem to put that thing there. So I'm going to cut that thing. I guess they lost a clip or something, I don't know. Man, I swear, that wrap job wasn't the best. And then there should be some bolts underneath. One there, one in the middle. Where's it at? Well, just these two then, and then on the other side the same. And you should be able to pull it right off. So as I remove my bumper, I realized the wrap people also forgot to put a zip tie down here. And why is there so much tape down here? Oh, yeah. Well, either way, they forgot to put a zip tie here. Oh well. Let's go fix the emblem position and put the splitter on. So we got the splitter on already. No, I just can't. This is a test fit, but this is basically what it's gonna look like. You just put it on top of there, match it up with the hose, and yeah, I guess just drill into the hose and you should be fine. Right now I'm gonna drill them into. I already fixed the emblem location. It used to be way up here, but now I'll put it next down there. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad actually. Alright, well let me just get the hose drilled in, and I'll let you guys know how I did that. So we got every outside bolt on. It first goes with the underneath it, like underneath here. There's another washer, then a washer, and then the bolt. So we got all of those around through there and through here. And now for these, they should come with some spacers. I think they're called like that. So at the bottom is also the another washer, and then comes the spacers, a washer, and a bolt. It's kind of tricky, as you can see. It would be much easier if you have another person. I had my brother help me out with this, carrying it on top. You could also like flip your bumper over, like how they show on the installation guide. But I didn't do it that way. I had my brother hold it up on top, and I drilled it underneath. Let me just get these things on there, and we'll move on to the next step. It's on there, pretty good. We just gotta install the splitter rods. As you can see, every bolt is tightened. Everything. It took kind of a while just to tighten everything, but I mean, look at it. Now we're just gonna install these. I'm trying to put these like at an angle instead of it being straight up or this way. I like it more this way, I don't know. So I'm gonna put that. Let me just see and figure out how I should do it, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so it's all installed already. Splitter rods and everything else should be good. I actually ended up measuring all of this with where is it at, with the tape measure. I seem to be losing everything every single time I work. And from the back on top of here, what I did was I first did this one right here. I did it laying down, seeing where it would put. I put toothpaste on top of this before I unscrewed it, and I saw the white mark. It wasn't working. So what I did was I kind of just felt it, like where this thing met the top part with my fingers, which was on this part right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which was like right there, right in front of it. So I drilled inside of there, and it fit pretty good. And then on this side, I was struggling too because I wanted it to be accurate, but I just did that. I just decided to count it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, they look pretty. Well, at least to me, it looks pretty even. Ah, man. I was trying to sit and I sat on this thing. Well, yeah, that's how it looks. I'll see how it looks in the car. It might look a bit uneven, but from now on, that's how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. Just go install it on top on my car. So we brought the front bumper. Big shout out to my brother for helping me out. Now we just put it on top. You can come over here if you want, so you can get a better angle on the things there. Alright, now we gotta just make sure everything lines up. This side to this side also. The bottom part wasn't put on correctly by people, so. Well, we got it on there. It looks like it's getting lifted from there, you know. I was trying to fix it. I don't know, it kind of looks off. Is it just me then, or like do these things look, the support rods? They don't look off to you? The support rods, like this one's a bit more slanted that way, and no?
It does kind of. Looks like you're not like.
Who knows? I'll probably just end up putting them straight later, but who knows? Let me just leave it like that. This is how it looks overall. There you go. I got the side skirts already too, but for now on, just this. And that was pretty much it. Just the splitter, as you can see from the middle, kind of lifts up a little, so I might fix that eventually, not right now, but yeah. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this content, or if you want to see more content like this also. These things are next, you know. They're the side skirts. Keep a lookout. Peace out.